A lot of people think stopping on a snow bike is hard. It's really not. It's definitely more challenging in icier conditions and on the trail. But when you're in snow like this or powder, anything other than icy type trail conditions, when you come to a stop, put your brake on, use your engine brake, and stop quickly. Don't try and stop slow. A lot of people, especially in the beginning, they try stopping slow and they're trying to put their feet down, right? Because they might be dirt bikers or ride motorcycles, which is obviously what you do when you stop on a dirt bike. But on a snow bike, it's all about coming to a quick stop, put that brake on, and what you do is that then sets the entire snow bike into the snow a little. So your front ski will dig in, the track will dig in, and you have a very stable platform. I mean, you can see here, like, it's pretty stable. Obviously I could tip this over, but I'm not doing anything to balance. I'm just sitting here. So keep that in mind. When you're stopping on a snow bike, quicker is better. Use your brake and your engine brake together.